Very good morning to all. So, welcome you all for this mega show, 2-day international e-conference, which is organized by the Kalp Laboratory Mathura and the Kalp Vriksha Society Mathura. The conference is basically depend upon the multidisciplinary research practices and the innovation. So in this conference, we will talk about the multidisciplinary research practices and the innovations thing. And the broad research area of this theme, this conference is advanced research study in applied science, engineering, technology, management, environment and sustainable development. So this conference having very broad research area. If you are looking for presenting your work, presenting your research work in this conference via oral presentation or via poster presentation, so this is the great platform for each and every research scholar. Those are belong to the many research area, many domains. So this is the great platform, right? So this conference basically organized by the Kalp Laboratory, and this conference which is held on the July 15 and 16, 2023, right? So the collaborators of this conference is Web of Science Group, right? Scopus Group, right? PubMed, UGC, Carelist Group 1, Group 2 journals, Clarivate Analytics, Elsewhere, Sage Publishing journals, Springer, right? So these are some collaborators, right, which are jointly organized with us this conference, right? If you are submitting your manuscript to this conference, if you are presenting your work in this conference, your manuscript, your research paper, your review article will be published in a Scopus or SCI index journal, right? For this thing, there is no need to pay any charge. The journals which are publishing your manuscript having a non-APC charge. So the journal will be considered as a non-paid journal, right? So instead of publishing your manuscript to the journal, the research area, the research scholar having another options, they can publish their manuscript to the conference souvenir or the proceeding, right, with ISBN number, right? So we will consider only those manuscripts for these reputed journals which are having very innovative research, they having the nobility of in the paper, right, and the appropriate result, right? So these are the some basic criteria for selecting your manuscript, your research work. Either your manuscript will go for the reputed index journal or will go for the publishing in a souvenir of the conference, right? So venue of this conference is basically Hotel Mukund Palace, Mathura, right? So this conference will be organized by hybrid mode, right? If you are looking for presenting your work via online, then you having the option, right? You can go for the online. Yet if you are presenting your work, right, individually, right, in an offline mode, then you have to come to the venue, right, for attending this conference and present your work, right, in front of many university vice chancellor, the director, the scientist, right, and the academician, right? So if you are looking for participate in this conference, you have to contact on our mail ID icmri2023@gmail.com, or you can directly call with us, right, on 9953329363, right? So moving forward to the next slide, ref. This conference is organized by the Department of Biotechnology and the Microbiology, Kalp Laboratory Mathura and Kalp Vriksha Society, KBF, for plant protection, education and social welfare, right? So we are also having some co-organizing societies, right, and the universities, right, in this conference. So the first one is Indian Farmer Scientific Counseling, IFSC, Ghaziabad, UP, right? Subhajima and International Multidisciplinary e-magazine, right? The Bouquet Society, Mathura, Plant Research and Educational Promotion Society, the Faridabad, and the Hindustan Agriculture Research Welfare Society, Agra, Pathway Academy, Agra. So ICMRPI 2023 having very broad aim and objective. The primary objective of this conference is to provide worldwide participants the chance to share their thoughts and the experience in person with their peers who are anticipated to attend from all over the globe, right? And this event will cover attendees to establish their research commercial relationship with the marketing, with the market, right, as well as the worldwide connection for future collaboration association in their professional pathway, right? And the third one is the academic participants from all over the world may discuss their ideas, their skills, their communications on the most recent subject, right, in business and applied science research, right? The plan of this conference is cover the following fields: life science. If you are belong to the life science research area, then you can go for this conference, right? If you are looking for the agriculture sustainability manuscript, then you can go for this conference. Health science, accounting, CSR, finance, economics, econometrics, education, information technology, law, marketing, social, business, and the multidisciplinary research subject, right? Our peer-reviewed conference strive to expand our understanding emerging scientific issue and research methodology in business, economics, society by bringing together the world best expert and opinions leaders. So in this conference, we encourage you all to engage in dialogue, contribute your ideas, your research, your thoughts, and make connection as a group of academics from across the worldwide or the globe. Right? So guys, this conference is also having sub themes of the ICMRPI 2023. So these are the some the sub theme. If you are belong to these field, you can also apply for this conference, this mega show, right? So highlight of this conference will be we have collaborated with 10 plus national international journals, scope of bioscience, FCI, PubMed, EVDC journals, UGC peer reviewed journal, right? 7 plus ICR university are our partners, right? 15 plus international speaker will be there, right? For deliver their lecture as per your research area, right? 8 plus ICR, ICMR, DBT guest will be there. 50 plus award category will be there. If you are looking for nominating your name for the award of this conference, you can also apply for the award, right? You will be nominated for the applied award, right, as per your research area, right? So 1000 national international audience will be there. We are hopefully invited many university vice chancellor, many universities director, right? And they are submitting their as a scholar, they are academician, they are teachers, they are professionals, right, to present their work and to be collaborate with our this conference. So we having very broad highlight of this conference. So why to join this conference? So if you are looking for publishing your full length paper article, if you are a research scholar and you are facing some difficulty, some problems, right, to publish their article, right, this is the great path for completing your research study as a research scholar by publishing your full length article in the reputed journals, which are including Scopus, FCI, UGC care listed journals, PubMed Index Journal, ABDC journals, right? And the journals will absolutely non-paid journals, right? So we will consider the manuscript which are having very broad research area, very nobility, right? And the informative study for the non-paid journals, right? And you can also publish your abstract in the conference, souvenir conference proceeding, right? And if you are presenting your work in the form of oral presentation or the poster presentation, you can also participate for this conference, right? So the best oral presentation award will be delivered to the best scholar, right? Similarly, the best poster award will be given to the scholar, right? Best scholar in this conference. And there are many technical sessions will be delivered by the our eminent speaker in the form of keynote speaker or the invited speaker of the ICMRPI 2023 who can participate in this conference, right? If you are academician, you can go for this conference. If you are PG UG student, you can go for this conference. If you are biotechnologist, exhibitor, sponsor, faculty member, hospital staff, industry professional, microbiologist, pharmacist, pathologist, professors, researchers, scientist training institution, young researcher, a student from academia in the research of life science, management, engineering, and the economics, right, and the agriculture, right. So these were the some basic participants, basic research area of the this conference, right. So ICMRPI conference proceeding. All accepted abstract will be considered for publication in the conference proceeding with ISBN number, and all abstract will be available on Google Scholar ResearchGate database. Therefore, participants can publish their full-length research paper and review article either in the conference proceeding or the reputed association of our Scopus Bioscience SCI SCIE expanded PubMed NAS rating journals UGC care listed journals as well, right. So guideline for the author, please ensure your submission meet the conference strict guideline for accepting the scholarly abstract and the paper. So these are some basic abstract submission guideline. If you are submitting your abstract, you need to go for this submission guideline, right, before submitting your manuscript, right, your abstract, right. If you are looking for submitting your full length article to this conference, right, for publishing the conference or the journals, you need to go for the instruction which are given in this phase, right. So here will be the e-poster oral presentation, right. If you are looking for the online participants, then you can present your e-poster or oral presentation via Google Meet platform, right. So poster presentation, your format will be a poster presentation will be PDF or the JPG file. You can prepare the PDF file or the JPG file, right, for shaping your research study in the form of JPG file or the PDF file, and you can present your work, right, in the conference venue or in the online board, right. Similarly, the oral presentation format will be, you can prepare your PPT, your PDF, your videos, and present your work in front of the academician and the gathering, right. So conference sponsor exhibitors opportunities, right. The conference offer the opportunities to become a conference sponsor exhibitors, right, to participate as a sponsor or exhibitor. A sponsor and exhibitor can mail us their proposal on this said ID, right. So here will be the ICMRI 2023 awards category. So we having lot of awards category, right. If you are looking for applying for the nomination of any award, you need to share, you need to mail us your field award nomination form, right, and your participation form, right. So after screening your the nomination form, you will be informed, right, either you are nominated for this conference award or not, right. Important dates to be noted, right, guys. So last date for the award nomination is 30 of June 2023. Last date for the student registration as well as 30 of June. So last date for the abstract submission is 30 of June. Last date for full length paper submission, right, the 15th of June, right. So last date for the membership 13th of June, right. So you can also go for our membership of KBF Society or the Bouquet Society. These are the both society which are collaborated with us, right, and they are offering their membership. The benefit of membership will be mentioned in the registration form of the society registration form, right. So if you are want to know some details about the membership benefit and their the future prospect, you have to be contact with us, right. We will share all the information regarding the membership and their benefits, right, in the future, right. So here will be the some glimpse of our award ceremony of our last conference which we have already organized. So this conference is the 7th international conference, e-conference, right. Before this conference, we have also organized 6 national conference and the 6th international conference from 2018 to till date. So this is the 7th international e-conference. Hopefully we will organize this conference very smoothly, right, with the contribution of you all, the research scholar, the academician, the scientist, and the gathering, right, of this conference, right. So if you are looking for contacting this conference, you have to be contact with Mr. Yagyavalkya Sharma, organizing secretary of this conference. You can also drop a mail of your query, or you can also contact with the phone number 9953329363, right? So thanks a lot for listening these videos, right? Listening the ICMRI information of this conference. If you are looking for submitting your manuscript, you are looking for publishing your manuscript, right? You have to contact with the Mr. Yagyavalkya Sharma, organizing secretary of this conference. So thanks a lot and get again time. We'll see you in the conference venue, right? Or the online mode venue, right? Thanks a lot and get again time.